Welcome to an install video with Boomba Racing. Today we will be showing you how to install our blow-off valve kit for the Yamaha FX SVHO jet ski. Tools needed for the install are M7 socket wrench, M17 box wrench, M17 open-end wrench, and wire cutters. Step 1. Locate and remove the OEM charge pipe. Step 2. Locate and remove the air temperature sensor. Also disconnect the connector. Step 3. Prepare your Boomba Racing blow-off valve kit for installation. Step 4. Install the Boomba Racing blow-off valve on the charge pipe and tighten the included hose clamp. Step 5. Connect the provided vacuum line to the Boomba Racing vacuum splitter block. Step 6. Install the vacuum splitter block onto the intake manifold. Step 7. Install the air temperature sensor and reconnect the connector. Step 8. Install the Boomba Racing charge pipe and tighten the hose clamps. Step 9. Route and connect the vacuum hose from the vacuum splitter block to the blow-off valve. Step 10. Secure vacuum line with the provided zip tie. Now you're finished with your install. Enjoy your new Boomba Racing blow-off valve.